Okay, I'm trying to record some video to show just how bad the flooding in my apartment is. This is the bedroom. This is the closet. As you can see, the boxes with my comics and books and stuff have gotten wet. So here's the bathroom. Here we go into the living room. Here's where my computer was. It had some water in the bottom of it. Here's my door to the patio. Looks like this was definitely one of the sources that water came in through. My rug. So we got front door here, mud, water. So here's the kitchen. It actually seems to be the driest area, but you can see from the dirt and stuff that there has been some water in here. I just got home. It's a little after 10 p.m. So here's the computer. Doesn't look too bad, but there is some water in the bottom there. I'll probably have to replace the power supply if I'm lucky. Doesn't look like it got up onto my shelves. Yeah, it's dry. My brand new pillows got wet. Obviously, I've gone and unplugged everything I can get to easily. For now, I'm gonna, I guess, throw some stuff in a pillowcase and head to my parents'. Fun stuff.